Unboxing Fiido T1 Pro. Unboxing and parts check. Take out all components from the box. Check if all accessories are included and in good condition. Handlebars installation. When installing the handlebar, ensure the front fork touches the ground. Avoid loosening the front fork when removing the plastic spacer. Use an Allen wrench to remove the stem screws and plastic spacers. Attach the stem and insert the stem bolts. Adjust the handlebars so that the stem is perpendicular to the front fork. Use an Allen wrench to firmly tighten each of the 3 bolts on the stem, then place the stem cap on. Front wheel installation. Remove the front wheel and loosen the front wheel axle screws. Remove the brake caliper spacer. Remove the plastic fork protector. Align the wheel disc with the brake caliper and insert it into the fork. Ensure that the fork's connecting rod is facing forward. Install the washers and nuts. Use a 15 mm socket wrench to tighten them alternately on both sides. The Mudguard / front basket / front light installation. Removing the Mudguard screws from the front fork. Thread the Mudguard through the front of the front fork. Insert the Mudguard screw and washer. Tighten the nut with a wrench, and then use an Allen key to secure the screw. Remove the screws from the front basket on the headset. Align the front basket with the screw holes on the headset. Insert the screws and tighten them sequentially. Adjust the angle of the front light. Align the front light mounting holes with the basket holes. Insert the screws and tighten them using an Allen wrench. Connect the front light plug to the matching colored socket on the display, aligning the plug colors with the corresponding sockets. Note: ensure the arrow on the front light plug is facing the head tube direction before inserting it into the socket. Saddle and pedals installation. Take out the pedals and check the L markings. L indicates the left pedal. Install the L pedal on the left crank by rotating it forward towards the front wheel. Take out the pedals and check the R markings. R indicates the right pedal. Install the R pedal on the right crank by rotating it forward towards the front wheel. Open the seat post quick release and adjust the seat to a comfortable height. Adjust the saddle angle and use a wrench to firmly lock the saddle in place. First time use. Insert the battery key, rotate it to the on position to start the battery power. Press and hold the instrument power button for approximately 3 seconds to turn on off the instrument power. Press the front light button on the left handlebar to turn on the front light. A short press toggles between high beam and low beam. Long press the front light button to turn off the front light. Short press the assist level button to adjust the pedal assist level. Level 0 means no electric output, but the horn and light still work normally. Horn button press for warning. Short press the M button on the left handlebar to switch to parameter display. Long press the M button until the speed display starts blinking. Squeezing the brake lever or twisting the throttle again will disengage cruise mode. Short press the M button on the display to switch to parameter display. Short press the assist level button to adjust the pedal assist level. Level 0 means no electric output. Long press the button on the display to switch between speed units, km/mph. You can push the shift lever on the right handlebar. Pushing the larger lever outward shifts to a lower gear, while pushing the smaller lever outward shifts to a higher gear. How to remove the battery for charging. Open the dust cover of the charging port on the side of the battery. Connect the charger to the power source. A red light indicates charging, while a green light indicates a full charge. Rotate the key counterclockwise to the OFF position, then push the key inward and continue rotating counterclockwise to the unlock position. Lift the handle located underneath the saddle and flip the saddle forward. Hold the battery handle and remove the battery. Insert the battery along the rails on the bike. Flip the saddle back and lock it into place.